My YouTube channel, and once again welcome with another makeup tutorial. I hope you like this makeup tutorial. This makeup look again inspired from fall, and as you see I'm using color of pink and golden on my eyes to enhance some glam and create some glamoury glittery look. So I'm just going all metallic. I'm using golden on my eyes and using some lip gloss on my lips. So if you like my makeup looks, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and I will show you once again my look. Setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean, have a shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean, come and heal me, no heal me. Thinking about the love we're making and a life we're sharing, come and heal. Upon the ocean, come and heal me, no heal me. Thinking about the love we're making and a life we're sharing, come and heal me, no heal me. Shining in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean, come and heal me, come on heal me. Message is failure is a part of life. Keep going and work toward your goals. One day you will going to reach your destination. So if you like my channel, if you like my videos, please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and I will see you in my next video.
Swimming in the setting sun like a pearl upon the ocean.